Eric Rademakers, assistant head coach at Arnett Gardens FC.
All right, Eric. Season's complete. You guys are having a minute for a third place. What do you think about this season?
Well, you know, when the finals, the two teams that are in the final warming up, it's a difficult question to ask because at this point, that's what we want it to be, you know. We want to play for the final. It's nice that we win this match today, but it's first place we really want to be looking for. This morning, you know, I still look back and 4 matches we lose out of the 29, and I think if you lose 4 matches out of 29 and you get a certain consistency that we look for, you feel disappointed that you don't end up in first place. So I think overall, I'm happy that today at least we showed a little more of the football that we like to play throughout the season. I think in the semi-final, we weren't able to show what we're capable of, and yeah, I rather would have gone out playing our football and not being good enough. I still think that we are the best team in the league this season, and we should have been shown at the semi-final to reach to the first spot. But I would say overall, we're pretty pleased with how it went in the season, the progress the team have made. A lot of young players that we inserted that got playing time, that became regulars. You know, we see Flando Wing, Rashika Kelson, we see them being starters at the end of the season, are really putting a lot of value. So overall, we're happy with the season, but we didn't achieve our main goal, which is to really win the trophy. So
you guys did not achieve the main goal, which is the trophy. What was this season preparation, or the events of this season prepare you guys for going to the next season? What kind of time?
I mean, I think it's part of the overall progress to improve everything that's going on. Of course, we know in the Jamaica Premier League, financially, or at least most teams financially, don't have the means to really perform at the highest level when it comes to preparation, you know. We wish we had more ability to get certain players in, to have better quality camps, to have those kind of things, but we work with what we know. A big part of it is having sure that every player understands what is my role on the field, what is my responsibility, and in pre-season, you have that time to work on that without having the matches. So that's something we're going to continue to do. We want to sell players, so it's something that we have to get used to say we're going to have to restart the process every season because certain players will leave, certain young players will come in. But that's part of the coaching job that we have at hand, so we're looking forward to that.
Are you guys already come up? This is a big tournament where exposure is important, but not just exposure. We don't want to compare to what we've seen what happened last season, where we turn up and we just get turned over like that. What are the type of pressures that we're putting to perform well?
Right.
So that players can feel and be sold as you like.
Well, I think one of the things that we have to keep in mind, so we qualify now for next year, and I believe it's in July. Our season finishes in about May, June. Do we have the financial means to keep going at a high level to perform in July? Aside from that, the teams that qualify are the teams that qualified last year. So most likely your better players have moved on, and now you have to kind of rebuild with a team that is already qualified. So I don't think the structure is ideal to get the most out of it. I wish, just like in Europe, you qualify in June for that September coming, so you can continue to build on the team that qualified. That's not the case. I think the break in between is crucial for us to find a way. Can we keep continuing paying the players, paying the staff, paying everybody, getting proper opponents so we can prepare ourselves for those matches? And those are certain challenges that not a specific team, but every team in Jamaica has. And the better we can fix those, the better we're going to look like in July next year at that level.
Thank you very much, Coach, and congratulations.
You're welcome. Yeah, man. Thanks.